Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for export data from Sqlite database to tab delimited files. You can see on my computer I have a Sqlite file. I can double click on it to open into Sqlite viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside Sqlite. You can see I have multiple tables and I can export the current table into any format I want. But I will be using this database for demonstration purposes and exporting one of this table into tab delimited format. In order to do this, I will download app from this website. I will leave link to this website into description. To find application, click on search and type Sqlite To Tab. I need this page. I'll click on page, click on download to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on Sqlite conversion and into different formats and tab converters as well. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, we'll waiting until archive will be downloaded. Here it is. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on the inside archive and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish. And you can see application has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 I'll have to select Sqlite file. I will click on this select input file, navigate to my Sqlite, click on open. On next step. Here I can select table I want to export to tab. For example, let's export category. And I can specify convert all tables into tab. And in this case, all tables, it will ask me for folder and place all tab folders, all tables from database as tab folders into this folder. So right now I'll just want to import one category table, click on next step, and on final step I click run. To begin export here, it's asking me to for name and location. Let's name it category 1 or category 0 tab, click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So I have a tab viewer. It's another free app. It's showing what is inside tab file, and you can see it has like 3 columns: ID, category name, description, and I can export into different formats this as well. I will leave both links on tab viewer and Sqlite viewer in description to this video. As you can see, we extracted data, exported data from Sqlite into tab files. Successfully. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.